Being cannabis equipment news, I always like to ask, what's the equipment that you can't live without in your operation?
There's a ton of equipment that we can't live without in our operation. I think that the newest piece of equipment that I have found that we're really excited about is currently the Softrim machine by Platform Robotics. And I was introduced with a prototype that he was rolling out. And I remember the first time I was introduced to that equipment and he came on site to the facility, I really thought to myself, how incredible it was that they came up with this idea. It actually did what they said it was supposed to do. And, for years, I've used, almost every piece of trimming equipment out there from Mobius to Twisters to Tom's Tumblers, Green Broz, and none of that equipment satisfied what we could use and feel good about the product being sold under any one of our brands.
So, what was it supposed to do?
It manicures the flower sets with little to no damage. It separates your trim, and it doesn't damage your calyxes or your trichome heads. And you know every that's the same thing that any piece of trimming equipment that I've used over the years, that's what they all say. So I didn't believe it going into it, but when the Platform Robotics team brought the machine in for a demo and I truly looked at how fast it was, how quiet it was, the job that it did on the flowers, and not having the damage that I was used to, I thought to myself, I can't believe that I finally found a piece of trimming equipment that truly excites me.
We hear so many of those stories about the legacy equipment that sits in the corner gathering dust, right?
Yeah.
What is it about the design that's different from some of these other trimmers that, kind of separates it?
The technology that they came up with the vibrating separator, and it's truly unique. The silicone belts that they have that actually operate the machine. It's bladeless technology. It uses gravity to pull your product in, and it's a very gentle vibrating table that separates your biomass from your flower sets.